Hey there, welcome back. Now, in this lecture, goes deeper than behavior. We are talking about your pet's emotions because fear and phobias are not just reactions, they are feelings your pet doesn't know how to handle yet. Let me ask you, what scares your pet the most? Loud noises, for example, thunder, fireworks, or strangers, or maybe other animals, or maybe when they are in some new environment. That fear is real for them. Understand fear versus phobia. That's the most important step. Fear means a natural response, whereas phobia is an intense, repeated fear. For example, your dog gets alert during thunder. That's just a fear. But a phobia is your dog panics, hides, shakes uncontrollably. That means they have a phobia of thunder. The approach is similar, but phobias need more patience. Step 2. Never force or flood. This is critical. Don't push your pet into the scary situation. Don't say they'll get used to it. This increases fear. Instead, go slow. Step 3. Create a safe zone. Your pet needs a place where they feel protected. This could be a crate, a quiet room, a cozy corner. Add soft bedding, familiar smells, low noise. This becomes their comfort zone. Next is gradual exposure or desensitization. You have heard this word in previous lectures as well. This is the most powerful method. Introduce the fear trigger slowly at a very low level. Example, fear of loud sounds, play sound at low volume. Keep your pet calm, reward relaxed behavior, and then slowly increase intensity over time. Step 5. Pair fear with positive experiences. This is also called counter conditioning. Fear trigger appears, then just reward immediately. Now your pet starts thinking, this is not scary, it's actually good. Why am I getting afraid of it? It is giving me reward. So that's how you need to play with your pet's psychology. Step 6 is watch body language closely. If your pet shows stress, trembling, or trying to escape, you have gone too fast. Step back, reduce intensity, and you'll see the change. Next is be patient and consistent. Fear doesn't disappear overnight. Progress may look like less panic, faster recovery, slight improvement. Celebrate that. Next is if your pet has severe panic, hurts themselves, or shows extreme behavior, consult a vet or behavior expert. Let's practice a quick calming exercise. Next time your pet feels scared, don't react with panic. Instead, stay calm, speak softly, give them some space, let them come to you. Your calmness is their safety. And here's something powerful. You don't remove fear, you help your pet feel safe despite it. Because when safety increases, fear naturally decreases. Moving on, in the next section, we'll move into something fun and exciting advanced tricks, mental stimulation, and agility. This is where training becomes fun for both of you. So stay patient, stay calm, and I'll see you in the next lecture.